Here are a few recipes for protein-packed breakfast bowls that are both delicious and nutritious. 1. Greek yogurt in berry bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, plain or flavored. Half a cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. A quarter cup granola. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup. 1 tablespoon almond butter. Instructions: 1. Spoon the Greek yogurt into a bowl. 2. Top with mixed berries, granola, and chia seeds. 3. Drizzle with honey or agave syrup. 4. Add a dollop of almond butter on top. 2. Quinoa and egg breakfast bowl. Ingredients: half a cup cooked quinoa. 2 large eggs. 1/4 avocado, sliced. Half a cup cherry tomatoes, halved. A quarter cup black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro. Salt and pepper to taste. Hot sauce or salsa, optional. Instructions: 1. Cook the quinoa according to package instructions. 2. While quinoa is cooking, fry or scramble the eggs. 3. Assemble the bowl with a base of quinoa, then top with eggs, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and black beans. 4. Sprinkle with cilantro, salt, and pepper. 5. Add hot sauce or salsa if desired. 3. Peanut butter banana oatmeal bowl. Ingredients: half a cup rolled oats. 1 cup milk, dairy or plant-based. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon flax seeds. 1 banana, sliced. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. A quarter cup chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pecans. Instructions: 1. In a small pot, combine oats, milk, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Cook over medium heat until the oats are tender and the mixture is thick. 2. Pour the cooked oatmeal into a bowl. 3. Top with sliced banana, peanut butter, and chopped nuts. 4. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup. 4. Savory tofu scramble bowl. Ingredients: 1/2 block firm tofu, crumbled. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup baby spinach. 1/2 avocado, sliced. Half a cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, optional. Instructions: 1. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add crumbled tofu. 2. Sprinkle with turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. 3. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until tofu is heated through and slightly crispy. 4. Add baby spinach and cook until wilted. 5. Assemble the bowl with the tofu scramble, avocado, and cherry tomatoes. 6. Sprinkle with nutritional yeast if using. 5. Chia pudding in fruit bowl. Ingredients: a quarter cup chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of choice. 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half a cup sliced fresh fruit, mango, berries, kiwi, etc. A quarter cup granola or chopped nuts. Instructions: 1. In a bowl or jar, mix chia seeds, almond milk, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. 2. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight, stirring occasionally to prevent clumping. 3. When ready to serve, give the chia pudding a good stir. 4. Top with fresh fruit and granola or nuts. These protein-packed breakfast bowls are easy to customize with your favorite ingredients and can be prepared in advance for busy mornings. Enjoy!